नमस्ते नमस्ते र आज फेरि आएको छु म and I don't know where I will go for running today, so maybe I should go to Sharjah, I guess. Dubai to Sharjah by running. What do you guys think? Japan is like Sharjah ko border saman थियो, but yesterday I went to Mamjar by walking हैन. So आज चाहिँ I will go by same way, but I'll follow the metro link. I don't know other way. And while turning, maybe I can take a metro. So yeah, be on my journey. Let's go. So you guys can see I wear wind cheater right now. So to pasina धेरै आउनलाई हैन, so I can lose my calories more, fat more. I mean, so I'll follow the metro line हैन. Metro line हुँदै जाँदैछु म र यहाँबाट सिधै गएर अबुहेलदेखि गएर अबुबकर अनि स्टेडियम हुँदै गएर शारजाको बोर्डरसम्म गएर म आउँछु. So let's see, be on my journey. र अहिले चाहिँ म रिकामै छु र म त अडियन्स ट्राई गर्दैछु र सुन म शारजाको बोर्डर पुगेर देखाउँछु तपाईँहरूलाई. The best thing is that I know the shortcuts way to get the metro station हैन. म चाहिँ भित्रबाट गइरहेको छु. And yes, let's go. कति मिनटमा पुग्ने रहेछ. And the good thing about this is there's an app called NRC app हैन. It's a Nike running club app. It can be used without internet also. So once you start the journey, it will show you everything, the map, the things, how much kilometer you run, how many calories you lost हैन, your face, कति 1 किलोमिटरमा कति मिनेटमा पुग्यो भने सबै कुरा देखाउँछ के. So it's free. It's free app हैन. You can download from Android and Apple stores हैन. I already have one. So मैले अन गरिसकेको र it shows me how many kilometers I run हैन to reach Sharjah. Oh my god, I'm scared. Let's go. So यहाँ चाहिँ metro stop, you guys can see हैन. That's Abu Bakr metro stop. त्यो सिधै गयो भने the next is Abu Hel, then is stadium. स्टेडियमबाट भित्र पस्यो भने चाहिँ you will see Al-Nada, Dubai side, Al-Nada Sharjah side. So I'm going to Al-Nada Sharjah side to finish my challenge. And I'm already sweating. तर हावा मजाको आएको छ यार. चिसो हावा आएर ताता भनौँ न, ताता हावा आइरहेको छ. But it doesn't stop me to complete my challenge हैन. Yesterday I walked from Dubai Aldika to Mamjar beach हैन, almost 7 kilometers. यो पनि I don't know how much kilometer it will be, but I guys already told you NRC app will show you how many kilometers you run to your entire journey. So keep watching, and yes, I'll update you everything. Now let's go. हिजो चाहिँ म यो बाटो हुँदै सिधै गएको थियो हैन. आज यहाँबाट सिधै जानुपर्छ सिधै. One metro is fast. This one is Abu Bakr, Abu Hel something. And the next is like almost 2 kilometers. The next distance is that. Best thing, you can see plane. Oh, सबैले हेरिरहेको छ के मलाई. When I pass with someone हैन, सबैले मलाई हेरिरहेको छ के. Because you can see my uniform. It's eye-catching. Plus, maybe they are thinking that what's wrong with this guy? यस्तो गर्मी छ, but still he is running like nothing is okay. But for me, I love running, and when we have Nike shoes on your feet,
pausing workout.
You can stop yourself, guys. So I'm here.
Resuming.
सबै भिजिसक्यो पसिनाले. अझै 2 metro को पछि चाहिँ I need to turn right side, left side to go Sharjah. घामडुम लागिसक्यो. ग्राउन्ड चाहिँ तासी दाइ तपाईँहरू फुटबल खेल्न आउने ग्राउन्ड. And where you broke your foot, तासी दाइ खुट्टा भाँचेको ठाउँ यही हो बल खेल्दाखेरि. I'm gonna show you the longest car.
Pausing workout. Resuming workout.
हैन
Pausing workout.
Fuck. And cut lama karo. Ambo. This is the good things when you do road drowning, you know.
Resume.
Amazing things that you never expected. So let's see what else I can see in the way. Yay! यो के अरे यसरी स्टेडियमसम्म त म पहिला हिँडेर नै आएको थियो म अनि अन्जना अनि कल्पना अझ त्यति बेला सार्दा बस्थ्यो सो त्यो पुरानो म त्यहाँ हिँडेर नै गएको थिएँ के अरे हिँडेर गएको थिएँ हामी तिनजना another milestone finish होइन सो दिस इज सेकेन्ड मेट्रो स्टप अबु हेल सो अब चाहिँ मलाई द नेक्स्ट मेट्रो स्टप स्टेडियमसम्म पुग्नु छ त्यसपछि म आइएम क्लोज टु शारजा त्यो उता पारी चाहिँ के अरे एयरपोर्ट छ दुबई टर्मिनल 2 होइन जहाँ चाहिँ म्याक्सिमम् हाम्रो के अरे पेरेन्ट्स सबै त्यहाँ जानुहुन्छ बिकज भयो हामी घर जाँदाखेरि यहाँबाट यस्तो घुमेर जान्छ उता र म जान्छु यो साइडमा हो शारजा साइड वाउ त्यो दामी हावाको इफ यु गाइज वान्ट टु नो वाइ आई चुज शारजा बिकज शारजा इज द नियरेस्ट एमिरेट्स टु दुबई होइन अर्को एमिरेट्स अबुधाबी हो है बस टु फार के फ्रम दुबई सो आई चुज शारजा सो इट्स भेरी क्लोज सो एज यु गाइज नो आम नट एनी रनर होइन सो गोइङ अबुधाबी इन बाई रनिङ इज अ वे harder for me to think so I choose Sharjah so I'm very close to Sharjah now. Sorry guys, I forgot to tell you there's one more metro before the stadium, that is Al Qasis. So after Al Qasis only we'll reach to stadium. मलाई चाहिँ अब यस्तो गरेर यस्तो what the stadium you guys can see right here stadium त्यो चाहिँ हो म पुग्नु पनि त्यहाँ अब let me see from near. Yeah.
Pausing workout.
So I'm in the middle of the road.
Pausing workout.
To wait to turn this green, you know. I believe that side is Sharjah, you know, but I don't know the way. So I will not take risks. I know that way, so I'll go that side. So guys, finally I'm here. Stadium. This is my second final point, eh? Sharjah घुम्ने को अब. Then I have to take left. First, I will load some amount in my Nol card. Because I already learned a lesson yesterday, you know. हिजो म मम्जाबाट फर्किँदाखेरि fuck there was no money in my Nol card. Plus there is no place to depo के अरे पैसा हाल्ने ठाउँ पनि थिएन के. So I was fucked up. So now I will not repeat same mistakes. So I'll load some amount on my card. Then only I will go. Because you never know. I have to take some bus also in future or maybe in metro, so to be safe side. Okay, you guys can see lots of people are coming from metro. It was duty time. So what people do, most of the people they work in Dubai but they stay in Sharjah because Sharjah housing rent is cheaper than Dubai. So म चाहिँ अब पैसा लोड गर्न जाँदैछु. You can see a lot of people are all back from their duty. So I just load 2080 in case in future if I need. So let's go now, I'm safe. This bus goes to Al Nada. I don't know, but one bus will go Sahara Center. So I have to follow that bus to reach Sharjah. Sahara Center, just border of Dubai and Sharjah. Okay? So if I reach there, so I will cross Dubai and I will step my foot on Sharjah. Let's see. Look what matchy. Apple green, same color. This bus goes to Sahara, so I'll follow this bus now. Because my net on bhayena, so I need to follow this bus step by steps. So let's go to Sharjah. Honestly guys, I really don't know the way to go Sharjah, but still, let's see. So I see one NMC hospitals, you know. That's almost, this also like near to Dubai and Sharjah. So, but I want to go Sahara Center just to make sure that I step in Sharjah. Let's see. I need to follow one of these big bus because they directly goes to Sahara Center. यति धेरै जाम छ कि हामी दौड गयो भने बरु छिटो पुग्छ होला यता हेर्नुहोस् इफ यु टर्न लेफ्ट यु विल रिच अलनाडा शारजा बट दिस इज दुबई अलनाडा लेट्स गो सो गाइस that is I think it's NMC hospital I think yes that's NMC hospital I'm still confused this side is Sharjah or no I keep putting बसेको के अरे बिल्डिङ अनलाइन सेको I step to Sharjah or no unless I reach Sahara Center so I will ask some of the people that I am already in Sharjah or no so let's one thing I know before before Muna when they were staying here we can see the Sahara Center from the roof so I must be very close to the Sahara Center so let's see guys how right I am okay it's almost like 2.5 hours दौडेको हैन दौडिँदै खिच्दै so if you guys will love this video also so just please suggest me where I will go in my next running vlog पहिला मुनाहरु बसेको अनि यसकै पछाडी जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई Sahara Center बसहरु आइरहेछ हो after the bus I don't know man guys you don't believe I think I'm the Sahara Center oh fuck
Pausing workout.
Oh my god I was so confused like how to go there Sahara Center okay so I am like this much close to my destinations to reach Sharjah okay so guys finally that's Sahara Center which is in Sharjah so congratulations to me I'm so much close to my destination I'm walking here for like just to relieve myself दौडिरहेको थाक्यो अनि I already showed you the Sahara Center is there so few steps away to reach there so yes let's go so I'm not worried tomorrow where should I go please comment below where should I
Pausing workout.
त्यो तार दिनु न तार यो तार चाहिँ it's a border of Sharjah and Dubai and I am officially उतापट्टि Sharjah उतापट्टि Dubai so I'm finally stepping my foot in Sharjah so this is my foot that goes toward Sharjah I don't know where's the entrance for the mall but let's go so this is Sharjah land woo so this side Sharjah so guys hope you guys will love this video of mine so finally I reach Sharjah the different Emirates of UAE so finally officially I finished my challenge running from all the way from Dubai Al Riga to Sharjah Al Nada so bye for the now and let's see you in next vlog till then bye bye love you all and I'm in Sharjah